Xiaomi's Redmi 100 series launched in August, and the K100 Pro Max immediately caught my attention. As the flagship model, can it really stand out while using the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5? Let's find out.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Starting with the design, the K100 series doesn't look dramatically different from last year, but it still feels premium and solid. The large rear camera headlights connect smoothly and look well balanced. Our K100 Pro Max is the gold-white version, giving it a clean, understated look. I also love the Cabernet Sauvignon Red K100 Pro beside it. That refined wine red finish could easily become one of this year's most popular colors. The phone uses a metal frame with fiberglass back, creating a premium feel. It also carries IP66, IP68, and IP69 dust and water resistance ratings, so durability shouldn't be a concern. Compared with the previous generation, Redmi has improved the small details. The side power button now comes in red, while the rear camera design looks cleaner. It's also comfortable to hold horizontally. The independent subwoofer has now become larger, with more concentrated openings and less noticeable protrusion. There's even a hidden light ring that activates for messages, gaming, or music, adding a cool visual effect. Up front is a huge 6.9-inch flat display using new M11 luminescent material. Its green luminescent material boosts efficiency by 20%, while peak brightness reaches an incredible 4,500 nits. The screen also introduces next-generation super pixel technology with a full RGB lossless pixel arrangement. Each pixel includes red, green, blue, and purple subpixels. On this 6.9-inch panel, there are 9.389 million purple pixels, more than the 9.216 million found on a similarly sized 2K Pico display. So, despite being a 15K panel, the K100 Pro Max can actually produce a sharper-looking image than some 2K screens. It improves over the previous generation while using less power than a similarly sized 15K display. It also supports an ultra-high 185 Hz refresh rate and a 4800 Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate. That means smoother visuals and faster touch response. Redmi also includes Xiaomi's Green Mountain Eye Protection Solution, full brightness DC dimming, circular polarized light 2.0, and ultra-low brightness hardware from Indonesia. For audio, Redmi continues with a professionally tuned triple-channel 2.1 speaker system by Sound by Bose. Symmetrical EAE 5D speakers sit at the top and bottom, while a 1620 dual voice coil subwoofer handles the rear. The result is deep, powerful bass that should make movies far more immersive. And then we reach performance, the part many people will care about most. Even now, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 remains a highly competitive chip. With newer platforms becoming more expensive, keeping this processor makes strong sense for value. But Redmi didn't stop there. It adds a dedicated AI-powered D2 graphics card, creating a dual-core combination. Together, they promise reliable overall performance and powerful gaming capabilities.
With a 185 Hz display, gaming needs serious high frame rate support. The K100 Pro Max delivers native 185 FPS in Crossfire Mobile. In a 20-minute test, it averaged 184.9 FPS, while the rear reached just 37.3 degrees Celsius. That's seriously smooth.
It supports native 185 FPS across 30-plus games. 7 titles, including PUBG Mobile and Delta Force, get 185 FPS super resolution and frame rate modes. In Genshin Impact, both modes improve textures, clarity, and distant details. After 30 minutes, it maintained a stable 120 FPS, with the rear reaching only 38.2 degrees Celsius. The huge 6,300mm² cooling pump and new heat dissipation design clearly help control heat and frame drops. Touch response is another gaming highlight. You get 480 Hz index finger sampling and 4,800 Hz sequential sampling, making aiming and skill activation extremely responsive. In FPS games, that means faster targeting and firing. Honor of Kings and PUBG Mobile also get zoned touch optimization for serious players. Connectivity is built for gaming too. 2 Xiaomi Pengpai T1 communication chips and 7 dedicated gaming antennas help maintain strong signals even when holding the phone horizontally. Game network acceleration also helps reduce latency in weaker network conditions. The rear subwoofer adds another gaming advantage. Footsteps become clearer while background noise is reduced, making it easier to locate enemies in games like PUBG Mobile and Delta Force. Battery life gets a huge upgrade with a massive 9,070 mAh battery. After using it as my main phone for several days, I often still had around 50% left after normal tasks like videos and WeChat. Even after 4 hours of heavy gaming, it used only about 40%. Charging is equally impressive, with 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. You also get 27-watt wired and 22.5-watt wireless reverse charging, so you may not need a power bank. And when you do, this phone can basically become one. Battery durability looks strong, too. Redmi claims 80% capacity after 2,000 full charge cycles, meaning battery degradation shouldn't become a major issue even after 2 or 3 years. Now, let's talk cameras. The K100 Pro Max uses a 200-megapixel HP5 main sensor with a large 1.56-inch sensor and f1.68 aperture. Daylight shots deliver plenty of detail, while low-light photos control noise without making scenes unnaturally bright. The goal is a more realistic look. The 50-megapixel periscope telephoto supports 5x optical and 10x lossless zoom, capturing both portraits and distant subjects clearly. It also supports telephoto macro from just 10 centimeters away. The ultra-wide camera has been upgraded to 50 megapixels too. You also get 4K Ultra HD live streaming and wide-angle shooting, making this camera system unusually versatile for its price. Overall, Redmi may be using last year's chipset, but it has focused on the upgrades that matter. The display, huge battery, gaming performance, multimedia, and telephoto camera make the K100 Pro Max a powerful all-rounder. With its August launch aimed at the summer market, it looks especially attractive for students and anyone wanting one main phone for gaming, photography, and long battery life without major compromises. The Xiaomi Redmi K100 Pro Max starts at 4,499 yuan in China, around 494 pounds in the UK, and approximately $667 in the USA. And that's everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!